Now I'm going to create the follower. So I'm going to first create the center follower. So I'm going to name this as center follower. So as we have just checked, this radius has to be 15, that is diameter 30, and click OK. Currently I'm going to give some extrusion, but later, depending upon the pattern that I need, I will change it. So currently I'm giving it as 500 and click OK. Now this should not actually interfere with the side-by-side followers that will be there. So we'll keep this to be minimum. So let me check this dimension. So I'm going to give it as 40. And from here to here 20. And this distance we had checked over here, approximately this distance we can give, or we can give it a little bit more also. So let me see. I'm going to give it as 150, which I'll again change if needed. So here I can extrude it. I'm going to select the circle also, and I'm going to extrude this by 10 mm. So my center follower is ready. Let us take this to the multiple cams assembly. So here we have the center follower. Go and see insert into current design. Okay, and it should go exactly in the front into the middle circle it should meet with. So I'm just clicking OK wherever it is, and I'll be just pulling it over here, and then go for join, capture position, this one and this one. Okay, but we should flip it because it should be this way. And again, as how we have done previously, I'm just going to keep this at this height currently. And instead of rigid, we have to give this as slider so that it can slide. We will be calculating the limits that we need to give shortly. Then click OK.